All right, everybody, Wayne with Wright Property Group with yet another AC filter video. Super important, probably doesn't want to take too much time. If you're in a larger home, let's just say your home is 2,000 square foot, 2,500, 3,000 square foot, maybe it's a two-story home, make sure to walk around and look up in the ceiling, because what you may find is that you have another return in a bedroom or a living area, just like this home has here. It's not uncommon for bedrooms to have a 12 by 12 return. It's not unusual for returns to be in living areas. So we're just going to simply go up here, got our step stool. Open this up. We've already taken the filter out. Again, it's another pleated filtrete. I'm going to check to make sure that the airflow is correct. Arrow says up. Pop it in. And we are good to go. Now, if you have trouble getting to these filters, you don't have a ladder tall enough, or you're just concerned, let us know. And we'll come out and help change your filter. We'd much rather change the filter and help you and show you how to do it versus you're not doing it. So again, Wayne with Wright Property Group. Look for the AC filter, return grills. Unless you have any questions, and thanks for checking us out.